All right, guys, I'm Rob. We're here at Cookeville RV and Marine, and behind me is the all-new 2025 414 M Momentum. We're going to do a full walkthrough. Let's check it out. All right, guys, on the front cap of this 414, you're going to see we've got nice LED lights. Now, one thing cool about the Momentum is these LED lights are customizable as far as what color you want to do. We can even rainbow and flash these guys, so pretty cool. Check these lights out. Now, these front little kingpin lights, they turn off on a switch there for you. Just easy reach in, turn them on when you're hooking up at night. Gives you good light to hook up the kingpin to the truck. Now, underneath in the front here, you're going to see you've got a battery side and then your inverters on here. Now, this is the all new inverter by Yamaha. You're going to love this guy. It's super quiet inverter technology. It's going to run your whole camper, all the air conditioners and lights, everything at one time. Really nice setup for you there. And then up above this, we've got even more storage. So all magnet on that one right there, and then you've got a metal latch on this guy here, lockable, and it is locked. But that guy comes up and hooks up here, gives you front access to this big storage unit that I'm about to show you. All right, guys, so I told you you got the front storage. You can get to the to all your pass-through storage from up here in the front. Now, of course, coming down the camping side, you can see you got a pretty good sized door on this side for your pass-through storage. Now, inside here, you have 3 switches. On these new Grand Design units, you're going to get a all new battery disconnect. Now, that's more of a disconnect. It's actually a power kill switch for the camper. You also have an inverter switch and a solar switch in there. So yes, this does have an inverter on it. We have the ability to run those plugs off of our battery. Of course, you have that generator, so it pairs real nicely when you're boondock camping. And then of course we have solar on top too. So we're also going to be able to battery tend our batteries off of the sunlight. So traveling, doing it all, whether you're going to the racetrack or you're just boondock camping or hooking up to regular campgrounds, this guy's got it all. All right, guys, so coming down the camping side of the 414, you're going to see you have a water spray hookup. It's nice for spraying the mud off your boots and feet. From the racetrack, got a plug in there for any kind of electrical needs you got. You're going to see 3 awnings on the camping side. So they're all on individual switches. We can run one or all out at the same time. You're also going to have a patio awning on the back. We'll see that here in a little bit. You can see you've got a TV built in. We've got Fosgate speakers on there, controlled from the radio on the inside. Whether you're watching the big game, the race, or a show on TV, you can blare that out, get good sound out of it. Of course, we have a side entrance into our garage and then the back patio. Let's check that out. All right, guys, so we're on the back side of the 414. You can see we already got the porch set up for you. Now, what's really cool about these new 414s, yes, you have the awning that comes out, covers the whole back porch for you, but you've also got, you know, these screen doors come together. They've got glass in them, so whether it's a little cooler outside or you want that breeze coming in, you can shut those doors, keep the bugs out, and enjoy your patio on the back. All right, guys, we're on the off-door side of this 414, and one thing cool, it's got the all-new leveling system for you. Touchpad activated out here, really nice. We can do that from our phone if you want to. You've got a P4 Nautilus system. Now, the P4 Nautilus system makes it easy to do water hookup, whether you're winterizing. You know, this time of year we've got it winterized, but you do everything out here. There's no crawling under a cabinet or getting under a bed to turn any valves. With the Nautilus system, you're doing all your water hookup right here. Now, this one has the residential package on it, so you're going to see things like your ice maker shut off here too. So yes, a residential refrigerator with an ice maker in it. We turn our water on and off right here for that as well. So that's part of the winterization, but you're still doing all of that right here. Really nice system. I think you're going to love it. All right, guys, so coming in to the 414, you do have the OneControl touchpad over here. Now, this is a do-it-all control pad. You do your HVAC, we're talking lights, slides, awnings, everything is controllable from this. And everything you can do here, you can also do from your phone if you download the OneControl app. Now, that's all cool and well, but one thing I really like about Momentum is that they do put in manual switches for you, okay? So we're talking, you know, a manual light switch, a manual switch for your slides, all that's very easy to just come in this door, reach underneath there and turn what you want on. You don't have to go to the app every time or to the touchpad every time. I really like that about Momentum. And we talk about switches, so we even have a hallway switch. So coming in, we can turn the hallway light on and off with, you know, reach right into the door and turn it on. I like that too. Now coming in, you're going to have a really nice kitchen, and I do like these U-shaped kitchens because it does give you a lot of counter space all the way around here. And you know, you're going to have things like a residential microwave. You're going to have a bigger 4-burner stovetop with bigger oven underneath. You're going to have a farmhouse sink that has all the attachments, right? So we have a waterfall spray for our vegetable cleaner. We have a cutting board. We have a sud sink. And then we have a farmhouse sink underneath all this. You have a glass cleaner and a pull down sprayer built into your sink. So really nice sink setup, really nice cabinets all the way around, really deep cabinets. We've got really big cabinets and drawers underneath. So lots of storage area. Now, I told you, ice maker outside, residential style fridge. That's this guy here. Now, what's really cool about this, yes, it's residential size and stuff for you, but it's also 12 volts. So running down the road, we don't have to run an inverter to run this guy. You've got a 12 volt refrigerator that'll run and pair nicely with that solar already on top. Now, all that storage over there, if that ain't nice enough for you, look what 414 Momentum's done for you. We've given you a pass-through pantry. Now, we're talking all the canned goods are going to go in there really nice and easy. So I think that's something you're going to really like. And then this living room, right? So we have an L-shaped couch, built-in recliners on both ends, really spacious couch for you. Now, these two do come apart when you're putting the slides in. We kind of have to move things around, but when all together and set up at the campsite, you can't ask for a bigger living room. What better to have in a living room than a nice TV right over your fireplace? And in this one, you do. It's really nice TV. That is a Google TV for you, so smart TV. All the apps are going to be able to be on that guy. Now, the table here, guys, this is a little extension that folds down. These two chairs are foldable, so we fold them, we can move them out. We move a chair around, and then your part of your couch stores under here going down the road. So, you know, it's really nice to have these kind of moving parts because it allows for us to have this big space in this living room. And I really love this big space, these big windows. You can't ask for more natural light to come in this guy. And plus, look at these accents. So these accent lights, I talked about the outside front cap being able to change colors. Well, these guys can too. You pick your color. You've got like 16 to 20 different colors these guys will do. So it's a really neat feature. All right, guys, so we're in the bathroom of this 414, and I like to start out in the shower just showing you how big the shower is. Now, we have tri-folding glass doors, so these slide both directions, which is really cool. It allows you to get in and out really easy, but I'm 6 foot tall, and you can see I've got plenty of head space. I think you could be 6'6" in this guy, and your still head wouldn't be up in the skylight. So really nice. You get overhead spray. You got a wand spray and forward spray that turns here hot and cold. Really nice shower for you, so you kind of feel like you're in a luxury hotel room. This guy, really nice counter space here. Corner sink. You got the toilet on an angle, so I really like this bathroom. Pretty good storage in here as well. So, you know, really nice bathroom. And then you do have a Jack and Jill door system on this guy. So whether you're entering the bathroom through the bedroom or coming in from the hallway, you can do it in this bathroom. Really nice. All right, guys. So in this bedroom, you can opt for a queen if you rather. But this one has the king in it, and so really nice thing. First thing I want you to see in the headboard, you've got USB phone chargers built in up there. We do have plugs on both sides of the bed, which is really nice. And then, of course, there's storage underneath the bed. So you got plenty of storage. And then with the king, it's really nice, especially to have these flip out side tables, because when the bed's down, it gives you a place to put a drink or your cell phone or something like that. You have a little tray there beside you, so it makes it really nice. Even with the king bed, you have that table kind of come out beside the side of it for you. So, you know, a really nice bed system in this bedroom too. So, showing you the bedroom side, guys. This top here, you can see slide here. So this has magnets in it, sliding drawer for you. So anything you want to put, maybe kind of out of sight, out of mind stuff, put in there, really nice. In the front cap, you get really nice closets. So you get his and hers closet. So you can see big drawers underneath, hanging closet, little shelf over. And then this is a sliding door. So this slides for you here. And then you've got these shelves, and these shelves are removable because this is washer and dryer prep. So whether you want to do a single or a stackable unit in here, it's already plumbed for you in here. So really a nice closet space for you in the front cap of this bedroom. All right, guys, so we're in the garage of this 414, and one thing you're going to see is they've changed the Happy Jack system back here. All right. So one thing now new is the benches, which actually are really nice when they're down, and we'll show you that. But I do like the ability to fold these flatter to the wall. So whether you're putting a big side-by-side in here or a couple four-wheelers, it does optimize the amount of garage space you have, which is really, really nice. And these are really customizable, so you can do a lot of different things with this system. We can make benches out of them. You can use them as little tables, and then of course the bed comes down, and so there's a lot of different ways we can move this around, and we'll kind of show you that. All right, guys, so we're back on the back porch. So one thing really cool I want to show you is they do have a storage box built into the floor of your garage. So if you need to store, you know, some extra stuff, maybe your gear, and put it all down in the locker, that way it's not sliding around while you're going down the road, you can. Really nice, lockable on both sides. So really strong and secure on that. Now, these glass doors, they're easy, they slide. With the glasses down right now, we've got screen open on top. The windows do go up. They lock in all the way to the top. Now, loading your toys up, you got a little cord here, and these doors will slide out for you. So they open real wide for you, so you can pull all your stuff in really easy. This ramp will go down. Makes you loading everything up really, really nice. Of course, this awning comes out for you. Got LED lights built into it. This yellow strap, what you're seeing this for is because this door is called the 0G door. So this actually locks in now with the same key you lock your door with. So everything's on the same. This cord right here is so if we wanted to open this gate from the inside, we pull this down, it opens the locks, and so the door, we can just push it out if we wanted to. Really, really nice system. All right, guys, so if you like this 414M Momentum or want to check out some other campers, you know, give us a call, shoot us a text, visit us online at cookevilleRV.com. And remember, guys, we're not like those big corporate guys. We're a family-owned and operated dealership. We'd love to make you part of the family. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the camp.